Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a common issue, the Microsoft Authenticator app not working. If you've been struggling with this, don't worry, I'll walk you through some simple steps to get it back on track. First things first, let's check your network connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you're having trouble, try switching between them. Also ensure that airplane mode is turned off. A stable connection is crucial for the app to function properly. Next, let's make sure you have the latest version of the Microsoft Authenticator app. Head over to your device's App Store, whether it's Google Play or Apple App Store, and check for any available updates. Keeping your app updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Now let's dive into some device settings. First, check that your date and time settings are correct. An incorrect date can cause issues with authentication. Next, turn off battery optimization for the Authenticator app. Sometimes battery-saving features can interfere with its functionality. Also, don't forget about notifications. Make sure notifications are enabled for the Microsoft Authenticator app in your device's settings. This will ensure you receive timely alerts when you need them. If you're still experiencing issues, try restarting your device. It might seem simple, but a quick reboot can often resolve many problems. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Microsoft Authenticator app. This can clear out any glitches that might be causing trouble. And there you have it. Hopefully, these steps help you get your Microsoft Authenticator app working smoothly again. If you are still facing issues after trying everything, don't hesitate to reach out to Microsoft support or your IT administrator for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and see you next time.